Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty DMZ. Your main goal is to infiltrate a designated combat zone, complete various faction missions, and successfully extract with as much valuable loot as possible. This mode blends player versus environment challenges with intense player versus player encounters across a large map. Before deploying, carefully select your two primary weapons, a tactical item and a lethal item, to optimize your chances of survival and success. Once you've geared up, it's time to infiltrate. You'll deploy onto a vast map, often with up to 5 other squads. Before dropping in, make sure to select up to 3 faction missions from your mission log. These missions are your primary source of experience and rewards, guiding your objectives within the exclusion zone. They can involve anything from eliminating high-value targets to securing specific intel or collecting a certain number of rare items. Survival in DMZ hinges on smart looting and effective combat. Scour the map for supply caches, eliminate AI combatants, and clear strongholds to acquire better weapons, armor plates, and cash. Always be aware of your surroundings. Both the AI and other player squads are constant threats. Use cover wisely, deploy your tactical equipment strategically, and coordinate with your squad to navigate engagements and secure your objectives, ensuring you stay alive. The final, crucial step is extraction. Once you've completed your objectives or gathered enough loot, head to one of the designated extraction points marked on your tactical map. Call in the exfil helicopter and prepare for a tense 90-second wait, as both AI forces and other player squads will converge on your position. Successfully extracting with your hard-earned loot, cash, and completed missions is the only way to secure your rewards and progress your faction reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.